Hi there, it's Rachel with Mishka, and today we're going to be working on sit, down, stay with some distance and some distraction like you asked. So we have a couple dogs in here with him for the distraction. So we're going to start off with him close by, just get him, kind of focused on us. So he's right here, which is perfect. So Mishka, sit. Good boy. Mishka, down. Oh, good boy. He knows the drill. Stay. Mishka, down. Come here. Down. Stay. Mishka, down. 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 Good boy. Sit up. The flies seem to be the biggest distraction of all. They're kind of tickling him here. So Mishka, down. Well, we definitely have lots of distractions for him here. Mishka, down. Stay. Stay. He's doing really great. Stay, especially with that other dog barking. Stay. Good job, Mishka. Good job. You did great there. Now we're going to try sit with some stay, because sit is a little easier for them to get out of than lying down. So Mishka, come here. Mishka, sit. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Nalu. Zeus.